Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fabricate Shillong, Ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hannong Thumai Old Beat House Shillong.
Menteri Jangka Sarkar Jela Ubak Renington El Tongkhar ha ka arpu arterik unai leber arajar arpu wei udah kentui kipat ba nong song snong Jangka Jela bakin nyokor hadu kata-kata da ka batengka ye ko umbam umdi hawai sim bentalang bat ka perthai barok ko wei ha ka jingrakhe ye ko World Water Day ka balalong menta ka sngi hanong ba Shillong. Hagani ka jingilang le don langru u Commissioner and Secretary Jangka Tanat Public Health Engineering u Syed Muhammad A Razi Ubalongru Mission Director Jangka Jal Jeevan Mission ka Jela Meghalaya u Chief Engineer Katanat PHE uba CR Chalam bat kiwei. Lapun songkun ye gani ka sngi de ka jingsam ye ki khusnam bat de ka jingpun ko borom ye ki shnong ki balayo ye ka umbam umdi hadu thliuyeng shispa na ka shispa ki bahap hapo ka East Khasi Hills District lingba ka scheme Jal Jeevan Mission.
The first question that comes to my mind at least is that why have a day for something which is as universal and as ubiquitous to human survival as water? It's a daily requirement, and it's there in our life from our birth till our death. So this World Water Day was to be celebrated on 22nd March was started way back in 1993 through an resolution of the United Nations General Assembly, and it is an occasion which we use to raise awareness about issues of concern relating to this topic of water. It is also an occasion to mobilize our will and our resources in addressing those issues, and most importantly, it is an occasion for all of us to celebrate and reinforce our achievements and our commitment in this direction. As a lot of us may be aware, globally 1 in 3 individuals lives without access to clean and safe water. So in the situation in our country is also not too different. So to addressing this issue, the government launched the Jal Jeevan Mission on the 15th of August 2019 with the avowed aim of providing a functional household tap connection to every rural household by 2024. Our government in Meghalaya has set an even more ambitious target of meeting this requirement of universal coverage of HHTCs by December 22 itself. The Jal Jeevan Mission, as I have said, is the vision of the mission is to provide every household with a functional household tap connection. The availability of water should not only be adequate, but should be of prescribed quality. The water so provided should be regular, and the solution should be on a long-term sustainable basis. And goes without saying that this service delivery has to be affordable within the reach of all. The scheme, the Jal Jeevan Mission, is participatory in nature. It envisages participation of the not only the government functionaries but of local community, active participation of local communities. the water connection and supply to be provided is not limited to the household, but also envisages universal coverage of all public institutions like schools and primary health centers, etc. The aim of the mission is to ensure drinking water security, and this can be achieved through capacity building and awareness among all the stakeholders and communities involved in this process.
There was a great meaning in it. United Nations, they understood the need to have this day, this kind of march, to educate people, to give awareness to the people about the importance of water. Water was so important, was so valuable, but the fact is that many people, including us, we do not understand the value of water, the importance of water, because God was so great and He has given us water free of cost. That's why sometimes we do not understand the value of water. We do not understand the preciousness of water because we are getting free of cost from God. We must thank God, the giver, the great giver of water, who has given us free of cost. My dear friends, even though we thought we have done a lot, as a government, we thought we have done a lot as a department to give water to each and every people, each and every household in the state of Meghalaya. But let us remember one thing, that our work, it is just to fetch water from the source, to fetch water from the river and give it to people. If we are told to manufacture water, to create water, I do not know what will happen to us. If we are given a task that please make water, please create water, and then give to people, I do not know what will we do. We all, as a government, you as all the officers of the department, I think we will try to hide ourselves if we are given a task to create water, to make water for people. So we must thank God that He has given such an important thing, such a valuable thing, water. He has given us free of cost. And we are trying our best from the department to give this free gift of God to the people of the state and to give water connection to each and every house before December 2022. Many people, they put the question, how it is possible? But we are determined. We are determined. I could say this with courage that we are determined because as a minister, I have a very good faith to you all officers in the department. I know, alone I can't do anything. As a government, we can't do anything. But with full faith that we have capable officers, we have capable engineers, and with the hope that we will get the cooperation from all villages, from all VWSC, we have put the target well before the target of the Government of India that we are intending to give water connection to each and every house by 31st December 2022. My dear friend, this is the task to each one of us. It is not a task to the minister alone. It is not a task to chief engineer. It is a task to each one of us. And let us work together. As we are still working together hard, working in tandem with the Government of India, I must place on record and appreciate the cooperation, the support from the central government. with regards to the fund release. And also, I must appreciate our own government, FDA government, that has taken so serious about this scheme. And even though we are in the crisis, but the government is trying its best to match the state share with the central share. Whenever there is a release of fund from the central government, the state government also is trying its best. And we have done the best till today by giving the state share to match with the central share. My dear friends, as of now, we are moving ahead, and we hope we can complete this task to give water connection to each and every household. In the olden days, I must appreciate the understanding of our forefathers, of our people in those days, where they call Ka'umksiar Ka'umrupa. They said Ka'umksiar Ka'umrupa means they have treated water, clear, clean water, as silver and gold. We can understand that even people of those old age, they can understand the importance, the value of water, of clean and clear water. That's why they use the phrase Ka'umksiar Ka'umrupa. My dear friends, how do we protect our gold? I think we protect our gold in the most safest place in our house. We keep it nicely in a very clean and a very safe place. That's why the water also requires our protection. My dear friends, I want to request each and everybody, let us involve ourselves to protect water, to protect the catchment area, to protect the source of water. And I also appeal to the Dorban Shnok, Dorban Rai, and Hima to continue their good work in maintaining the Lau Kentang, Lau Lengdok, Lau Siem, the protected forests, to continue in maintaining the protected forests. Many of us here in Shillong, we are still getting water from the hills of Lum Shillong, because those forests is still there, and we are still getting water. Many sources has been taken water from those sources in the Lum Shillong. Therefore, it is very, very important to protect the source of water, to protect the catchment area. My dear friends, it will be too late if we try to make alive a person who died. It may be too late to still trying to give life again to a person who died. But it is very, very important to take care and to cure and to give a protection for a living person who will not suffer from sickness. It is very, very important. That's why the government of India and the government of Meghalaya also, we are encouraging people to take vaccination, not to allow corona to be infected to people, but to take prevention for that. Of course, when we look at Shilpi, when we look at this river Waungkra, even though we are still trying to revive these two rivers, but of course we still have hope, but we have to spend a lot to revive these rivers again. It would be good if from the beginning we have preserved these rivers. My dear friend, therefore it is very, very important to put our effort to preserve the source of water. And I appeal to each and everyone, let us plant trees in the catchment area of all villages where there is water sources.
School man nakasgi, but na Lord po one slim, but ketias niya po kelas baru sisi kumtos niya. Ni kini kipelok cemburu bisa komplain ba usmarang po, ba usmaji ing ba ulong punta. Teka long ke ege ba bele ranken ni yang kesempat di school jongiru berau kawai. Ni kum ke students te kideban sentoken, kideban dengkai bat ulong kan ni kepor. Ni tinggal ada keren lah, ada nanti belakang nusin tambah. Pak Tadpi.
Anong gumno kay May?
May? Ba, ada Miss, bila ban kot Miss Trash na? Te biang gumno ni?
Amor ban ang gumno kay Miss Trash. Ngi basa siya ng bandong. Te giyeng siya ay, kuum siya ay. Te pila sa to em.
Sa to?
Rồi, là số thôi.
Em làm số.
Là số thôi.
Em làm số.
Là số thôi.
Em làm số.
Ở đây vẫn số thôi kì.
Nang sekali tu ike ike na ba na duk ni sekali tu ike.
Namun banong gumne kay Miss Trash. Ngi basa siya ng bandong. Kajingjar kay. Marsan kemin step lahaban laitong Syawak syathem kumbalai 1 kilometer. Te kalong ka bijingjar kan ya ukun ban be kata kabor. Ting-ting watang ban kursyuk punya tu haban da perkat ar laisen. Te ban sumlai te haban da perkat da kisan sebab sang krosan sen. Kata kedau ke ju slam bai ban boys school.
Te kemud pimud ban ong ba Muslim ban one school na kadau ba jengai.
Oi.
Ke jengai ta ke ong. Hab came step hab lai 1 kilometer.
Oi.
Ni jing Islam jing jengai dai. Oh, kedon tak tak ke skim apa ngan peningai fi. Baik kedon kini ya. Kini bekerja Jal Jivan Mission. Kini ke skim baik Jal Jivan Mission. Baik ke JJM Jal Jivan Mission. Ketemu ban ra ban sam iki kor umbang undi babiang syakawai pakawai ke longging hakitai nang kendong. Kini kan baik.
Oi. Kebiang ha kata ke skim te apa pemta ta haban le kumno ban yo ikani ke skim.
Ngate ngamrentip ha tang ba kini ketenan PHE kan sepenlong awareness program ni school jongi te bila kin ban one next week.
Oh, oi
Kebiang
kebiang
bo
ban.
fiktif company ma. Biang kan?
Oi kebiang ban.
One batch next week ma.
Oi.
Tak tak. Baik. Tong le ma go save.
अच्छा आप लोग वो क्या कहते हैं